Hey.
Well, I got you. A friend of mine is into juicing, and she got me a whole bunch of juices, like fruit juices, natural.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
And so I got some for you.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
That's really nice of you.
So let me get you your chair.
Okay. So if
Are
y'all
you
don't,
recording the whole thing?
yeah, I met him at Ace Hardware, and he said that he had a zero gravity chair that he wasn't going to use, so he said that I could have it, which is really kind of him. So if I don't decide to use it, you said I can just give it to someone else,
You
right?
sure can, yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
You can get to whoever you want to.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're very welcome.
Wow, that sucker is huge. You weren't lying.
No.
That's why you said you did, because it's
and
just
I'm not
big.
a big guy.
Right.
But I mean, it's comfortable.
That is like, I think that's the extra large one.
It is.
Wow.
Which,
Awesome.
people say, extra large.
Hey, you know what? I'll use it. If I don't, then I'll pass it along to someone who could use it. So.
And you ought to videotape you sitting in it. With Moo-moo rocking back and forth.
Yeah, I should get that shot.
This is what I got Seth.
What is that?
It's a grill, charcoal. It's use a portable. It's a grill. You use propane.
Right. Oh,
And,
that's neat.
Yeah, I thought maybe he could use it.
Hold on.
The juices.
Oh, the juices? I really appreciate that.
Oh,
That's
you're
nice
welcome.
of you.
I'm a big health nut. What's up, Seth? How's it going?
He got you a little present
My name's
too.
Edward.
Hey Edward,
Yeah,
nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
He got you a
This
little.
is Luna.
This is Luna.
Hi, Luna.
Yep, the traveling pup.
Well, I just met her at Ace Hardware.
Is it true? Oh yeah, Ace
It's
Hardware.
both, I
Okay,
think.
yeah.
The hardware store.
Yeah.
Right.
Go figure. But so, I'm a big fan of both of you guys, and and also Kimber and Kevin, and I'm a travel nurse, and so.
Cool. Oh, this is.
I
your
still
thing?
haven't seen. Yeah.
No,
Come
she's
on.
fine.
I still haven't
She's like,
seen
I
the
gotta
video
test
yet.
it
I
out.
still need to
Well,
look at that.
I had some stuff in here, but I had to take everything out. I was trying to clean everything, and but I live in a very small footprint anyway. But yeah, this is my bed, and
Nice.
But,
Real simple.
So
I got you a gift.
Oh.
he got you a stove, a camp
yeah,
stove, if
sweet.
you need
got
it.
your grill.
Thank you.
It's
Nice.
if
I'm gonna
you-
have to cook some burgers.
yeah, hell yeah, and the only thing you'll need is a propane
I have
canister.
those. I use
Yeah.
those for the buddy heater.
The small ones.
Sweet.
Yep.
No, yeah.
Here you go.
Awesome.
And then I got.
Thanks,
you.
Ed.
Oh,
Edward.
you're welcome. My pleasure. Yeah, you guys. You guys
Juices.
rock.
I can't
Oh,
really
yeah.
see my juices.
Well, these are good.
What is that? Oh, I was like, that looks weird. Like, that juice looks weird.
Oh,
Now,
how does that bag work? I've always wondered.
Oh, these are awesome.
Really? Because
Yeah.
you can pick those up cheap too. They're like $5 or
Oh,
something.
yeah.
$2.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Lumi.
You've got,
Okay.
you've
That's
got farmhouse
perfect.
greens.
Oh,
It
that's
says,
your stuff.
Cucumber, Fuji apple, kale, celery. And
Oh,
it's,
yeah.
And it's natural. It's cold pressed.
Not heat pasteurized, right?
And I like the apple and the orange juice. This is my favorite.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. This already has developed ice in it.
Does it really? Okay, so you want me to
There you
take
go.
this out so you can...
No, that's all yours.
Oh, the bag?
Yeah, everything.
Oh.
Yeah.
There you go. That's a good
Thank
shopping
you.
bag.
Yeah.
Reusable.
Nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Cool.
Look,
Thanks
I
again,
forgot-
Edward. That's
You're
awesome.
welcome. I forgot to get you a gift.
Oh, no.
Oh my God, she's getting so many dog treats these days.
Oh, man.
She's like, oh, I'll just sleep in your bed.
Yeah. Be like, okay.
That's my treat. I just
That's my
roll around
treat.
in your
I'll
bed.
just sleep. I'll take some pets.
What about you,
How old is
Moo-moo?
Luna?
Just over a year now. Yeah.
What kind of dog is she? Is she a...
German Shepherd Malamute mix.
Wow.
Yeah.
I was going to say German Shepherd.
Yep.
You
I
can
wasn't
tell
sure,
some of the...
yeah.
But the tail is
I gotta
the
tell her.
Malamute.
I gotta tell her story on YouTube sometime.
Yeah, you do.
She's a pre-pound dog. Her whole litter was gonna get turned into the pound.
What?
Yeah.
Luna, who is
And
it?
she's turning it over.
Moo-moo.
Dude, you're
What's she
welcome
doing,
to-
huh?
To show you some of these county roads, these BLM lands.
Right.
Crazy roads.
Dude, beautiful. But they're kind of rocky.
Yeah.
One of them that I like, I can get down there with it, but it takes you right down to the river.
Right.
And it opens
We
up.
saw some. We went on one. It was kind of scary because there was a cliff's edge right there.
Yeah.
So
You gotta
and
be-
the road was really narrow. I was like,
I'd go down that.
Did you take Panda?
I didn't take Panda, but we
You
were
should've
in.
taken
Well, we
Panda.
were in a truck, but
Yeah.
Terry and Scott went down it in their truck hamper.
Damn.
I know. So.
Wow.
We could have made it.
Now there was one time it was a little shady that I was going down a hill,
Right.
and I guess I didn't realize the dirt was really loose,
Uh-huh.
and my truck kind of slid sideways a little bit, and I had to just barely, like you're on ice. You just barely pump the gas. I mean the brake, not the gas, but the brake. But yeah, I like this one because you can get anywhere you want to with this. Because that's kind of
easy to park.
yeah. And plus, I'm stuck. Can I try your 10 pounds of ribs?
10 pounds of ribs.
10 pounds of
Wow,
ribs?
that's a lot of meat.
Wait, what?
You already did
Where
that?
was
Top
that?
pound, yeah, top
Yeah.
pound.
Sticking with grown up or?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah, that sounds equally good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Spencer, if y'all need anything else or something.
All right, thanks.
I
Now,
didn't see that one.
Kevin,
I'll call Kevin.
and say, Kevin, guess who I'm sitting in front of?
I don't know if he'll answer. The music's starting to play too.
It's kind of late on the East Coast. It's like 9:30 or 8:30.
He's not on the East Coast. He's in
No,
where-
he's
Oh, is he traveling right now?
yeah,
Kevin, yeah.
he's in Utah.
I guess I shouldn't show this. Wait, hold on. Where's the other? Okay.
And if you answer, say, guess who's sitting in front of me?
And you do 20 questions. Just put it on speakerphone. Do 20 questions.
No.
Gotta guess.
You mind? Hey, Kevin. It's Asha. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. What are you doing? Where are you at now? I heard you were coming. Are you coming for the Camper Fest? Awesome! I'm excited. So where are you? Monticello. What is that? Is that in Colorado? Utah. Oh, well, I have someone sitting in front of me. They said you did an interview with them, a traveling nurse. Do you remember who that is? Do you want to speak to him for a second? It was Edward. Okay, hold on one second.
What's up, man?
Did he get
He's an awesome guy.
He is an awesome guy. Cheese curds. Yummy.
first course? All right.
So who's going to try him first? Me?
You gotta do
lady.
do the Vanna
Oh
White.
my god. Oh, that's so good.
I want to get her singing, actually.
Really good.
Guess for 10 pound ribs.
Caesar salad with a steak on it.
And a grown up rib.
What is that, like the 5-pound ribs? Or
10 pound.
No, no.
It said
Oh,
10
that's a
pound.
10-pound rib?
No, this
No, no, that's
It doesn't
a 5
actually
pound.
look
No,
like
that's
10
a 5
pound.
pound. And then
Oh,
you
that's
got
the 5
grilled
pound.
cheese.
I got the grown-up grilled cheese.
you're just like switchbacks and up, straight down, going around, up, I thought I was like on a, one of those amusement rides.
Right.
Like I got out of my car when I got to Walmart in Vail. I had to just sit there. I was like,
That's what the Pacific Coast Highway reminds me of.
wow.
Pacific Coast isn't that bad, though. Some parts, especially in like Oregon,
Well, yeah, but you know what? There's not a cliff you fall into. You just fall into the ocean.
well, the whole cliff just slides
Yeah.
into the ocean.
It's better going north because you're on this side, but
Yeah.
south it's kind of scary.
Because you're closer to the water.
It's not that bad. I did think about that a lot, though, because you have the tsunami warning signs and stuff, and I was like, what if this whole cliff face just falls into the water right now? I think that here sometimes, too. I'm like, what if that rock just fell in?
My agency that I work with, I can usually kind of pick and choose where I want to go after my contract is up.
See, we are sharing a brownie and vanilla ice cream dessert. Awesome. Thanks again. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you guys.
Nice.
So,
Cheers. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, and oh my gosh, onward bounty ate my brownie. Bye. Thanks again. Bye.
You know what he's doing? He's going onward bound.
With a change of your world and free. see nothing left. There ain't nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you. I can make you happy, make your dreams, make them come true.